What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today we are going to review recently released Miss India on Netflix. It's a Telugu movie, I guess. And the story is all about the female, her struggle, and her challenges that she has to go through in the world of men to start up her business, and especially in a country where she doesn't belong to, and she has a lot of challenges. It seems like when you are jumping into the ocean, you don't know the crocodiles are there and all the predators are there. So she has a lot of challenges to go through. So let's talk about this girl. Born in a middle class, she has a sister, a brother, and mother, father, and a grandfather. A grandfather is a very prominent character because he used to run his herbal medicinal business. It's an Ayurvedic business, so it helps them to treat the people with an organic way. So she has an interest in that, but suddenly they found out that her father got Alzheimer, and because of the work stress, and especially he was working in the bank. So there is a thing that we really need to understand, that sometimes if we are more workaholic and focus more on these 8 to 5 jobs, it is very hard for us to maintain the balance between our family and the work. So it happened with him. That's why he got Alzheimer at the very young age, not too old to get Alzheimer. Suddenly another shock comes that the younger daughter eloped with somebody, and at the very crucial time, and she also left them. Now a brother and a girl with father, mother, and grandfather. Suddenly they found out that the guy is doing good in a robotics business, and the professor at the university recommended his project to America, and he is given a job there. So now they have to move, but it will be good for their family decision since their father got Alzheimer, and the grandfather is not happy with the decision because he has people around him, and no, those people have become his family. Remember, when you are living in a rural area, not in a very big cosmopolitan city, you have people around them, and those are become your family. So because the grandfather is all alone, that's why. And once he knows this decision, he said, "You can go, and I will live here." And at this very same night, what happens? He also left this world. So two losses at the same time. They moved to US. So there she pursued her MBA, and they wanted her to get a job, but she is not happy with doing 8 to 5 jobs. She wanted to start up her own business, and since it was very challenging for her in the States to start up, especially she needs some capital or some investment, so there will be nobody who will definitely help. So the family also doesn't want to support, because they said in the US you have to stop dreaming about these kind of things. They need a lot of money. So suddenly she has to give up all this and do 8 to 5 job and it's all about marketing and getting the targets. It's like a call center. So she said it's not good for me, because how can I do this? And suddenly she left that job also, and she didn't want to do that relationship thing also, because it will change her derivatives, her directions, and she wanted to be focused. So she gave up being like a arranged marriage, and suddenly she make up her plan, and the family is now against, because they say, now you are grown up, you are MBA, you are not doing the job, you are not going for good guys to go for arranged marriages. She said that I'm just interested not in my marriage, but because the younger brother wanted to live with her girlfriend, that's why I will leave this house and focus on my. She start finding investors and try to contact with her friends from the university, and thus she found out there are big names in the coffee industry and other businesses. They doesn't wanted to support her. Somehow they wanted to support her, a minor one, but they know that sooner or later, if she will become a big thing, she will be a great challenge for us. So the story starts after like 1 hour. That the very last hour is very good. At the very first hour, they just wanted to set up the background, dragged a lot, but overall it is good because that's how the Telugu and Tamil movies are. They are longer, but at least they give you a background of what is happening and what will happen. So now in new place, she has challenges to get investment for her business, and that guy, he runs a coffee business, and he said that how can I give you favor without getting favor from you? And you know, in the world of men, it's very hard for the women to find a way to settle her own business. So somehow there is another man who comes and he said, okay, I will try to help you, but set up some decisions or some this is what I need to make up with you. Like, if I will do a favor, but the favor you will do, like if you will not pay me within 1 year, I will take your brand name and everything in my custody. So it's a very hard for her also, because when you are, because I really like, there are several quotes you will really understand, and they are good for you, because our challenges are, the girl also said it, because our challenges are not like an item on the shelf that you will go and purchase it, because people will definitely give you discount for that. It's good, but she get the capital and she started the business and make up a good relationship with the customers like a family. That's how it should be, because when you are not thinking the audience as a family, it will never work. Trying to get their feedbacks, what are the things that she has to go through, what are the improvements she needs, everything she tries, and thus comes the problem that these people finding challenge from her. So they just wanted her to give up on this, and when they found out that she has a good business, so they play their mind games to get all the financial gain from her weaknesses. So thus starts a very big crucial decision making things that you really need to understand, that how some of the things that the other your competitors or your counterparts can play while you are focusing more on your business. And another thing is also that you have to not look around what is happening between other companies, but also within your own group of people. So it will be very helpful to understand that what are your challenges. Sometimes the challenges are not from abroad, but from inside. That happens with her. You will see that one, because I don't want to reveal more synopsis, because overall I'll tell you, because the first hour is just like this, the very second hour you will really enjoy it, and how she go through and she collapse, and how she come up with the good repute, and especially how she will, because falling is not a loss, but after falling and not standing up is a bigger loss in life. So you will learn a lot of good things, and I hope you really like it. And if you really want to watch another startup movie or the web series, I really recommend to watch this one. I will review in the next one. So kindly like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you so much for being with us. Have a great week. Bye-bye.